welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to do percent decrease. We're going to find out how we can find the percent decrease. So the formula for percent decrease is we take the original value here and we subtract the new value that we are given from it. So we take the difference of the original and the new value, and then you see that there is this line, meaning this is going to be dividing and original value. So we take the difference of the original and new value and then divide it by original value. Now we will have a number decrease, meaning we will find what the decrease is, but then we will have to multiply it by 100 because we are finding the percent decrease. So as you know that percent is a fraction of 100, so in the end we will have to multiply whatever we did, the quotient by 100, so we get the answer in a percent. So now let's get on with our first question. So here we have our first question. We are given the original value and the new value. So now as we did in the formula just right now, how we are going to find the percent decrease, let's find the percent decrease here. So we said that we are supposed to subtract the new value from the original value. So we put the original value first, which is 20, and then we subtract the new value, 15, and we divide it by the original value, which is 20. And in the end, we are going to simply multiply it by 100. So if we subtract 15 from 20, we will get 5 out of 20. And we will multiply it by 100. But let's first divide these. So 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So we have 1 over 4, which equals, let's quickly divide 1 over 4. We put a decimal here. 4 times 2 is 8. We subtract, we get 2. We put a 0 here because we have a decimal already here. So 4 times 5 is 20. And so we have a 0 in the end. So meaning this is going to be 0.25, and we're going to multiply it by 100. So let's do that. 25 times 100. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 times 1 is 5, 2 times 1 is 2, and 1 times 0 is 0. So if we add all of this, we will have 2500. We put the decimal, so we have 2 decimal places, so 2 here, and we have the decimal here. So this is our answer. The percent decrease is 25%. So that's our answer for the first question. So now let's get on with our second question. So here we have our second question. It is in a problem form, so let's see what it says. It says, yesterday there were 160 candies in the drawer. Now there are only 116 candies left. What is the percent decrease? So we first need to find what's the original value and what's the new value, so that we can write them and plug them into the formula that we have. So we have 160 candies as our original value. So I'm just going to write original here. And original equals 160. And the new amount that we have is 116. So let's plug them into our formula. Now 160 subtract 116. The original value we're going to divide by the original, and then later on multiply it by 100. So let's first subtract 116 from 160. So we're just going to quickly do it. 160. It is 10, so it will be 4, 5, and 4 just cross out. So we have 44. So 44 over 160 times 100. So we can simplify this if we want first. So 22, 80, and 11 to 40. Okay, so now what we can do is we can't simplify this anymore, so let's just quickly divide 11 by 40. So we know this is less than, so we put a decimal. So now our percent decrease is going to be less. So we put a decimal, and so now what we're going to do is we're going to put a 0 here. So let's see. The closest is going to be 2 because it is going to be 80, and we subtract, we will get 3 here, and so we put a 0 here because 30 is less than 400, and the closest to 300 will be 40 times 7, which is going to be 28. So 280. We subtract them, we will get 0. It's going to be 2, it's going to be 1, so 8, 10 here. So 8, 10 subtract 8 is going to be 20. So we put a 0 and we will get 5 here because 40 times 5 is 200. We subtract them and we will have a 0 in the end. So now we have our answer in decimal form, 0.275, and we are now going to multiply it by 100 so that we have the percent decrease. We not only know what the decrease is, but we have to find the percent decrease, so we're going to multiply it by 100. So 0.275 multiplied by 100, so it is going to be 0, 0, and we can quickly just eliminate this. We have the decimal here, 0, 0, 0, and x, x, 5, 7, 2. We add them, we will get 27500. Now we have 1, 2, 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3 decimal places. So we have our answer as 27.5%. So our percent decrease for the second question is 27.5%. So 116 candies were left, but originally there were 160 candies. So we subtracted the small amount from the larger, and we divided by the original, and we got an answer in a decimal form. Then we multiplied by 100 because we wanted to get in a percent form, and so now our answer for the second question is 27.5%. For today's video, if you guys liked the video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you learned something from the video, also give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so you get the notification whenever a new video comes out.